Hello and welcome to our new Q&A session for our latest blog post, Outgassing, the Invisible Threat for Semiconductor Purity. My name is Christina Kilifi, Head of Integrated Marketing at Angst and Pfister Group. Today we are here in Italy. This is where a lot of our high-performance sealing materials are developed, including evolast FFKM. But instead of explaining everything from outside here, let's head inside and talk to the person who knows it better than anyone. And here we are with Simone Lavelli. Simone, thank you for taking your time today.
Hi, great to have you here.
Well, it's you and your team are behind the evolast compounds that help to solve some of the toughest challenges in the semiconductor manufacturing.
Exactly, it is what our team does.
So let's start right there from the core topic. Simone, what makes outgassing such a challenge for semiconductor production?
Well, even the smallest molecule released in a vacuum can alter process chemistry, and the one trace of vapor on a wafer can affect yield or plasma stability, so controlling outgassing is extremely crucial to process reliability.
Okay, so outgassing is clearly a factor for yield and stability in semiconductor process. That brings us to the material itself. How does evolast FFKM keep outgassing under control in an ultra-clean environment?
Here, everything starts with a fine-tuned chemical structure. The evolast production process starts with an ultra-pure perfluoroelastomer recipe that is stable under plasma, vacuum, and high temperature stress. Beyond purity, we control every step of manufacturing, so from compounding to post-cleaning and under vacuum packaging, all under tightly regulated cleanroom condition, obviously. The result is extremely low volatile release, verified at less than 0.05% total mass loss. It means that the material itself stays molecularly stable and doesn't contaminate, obviously, the process chamber that is the main application, you say.
Okay, so you mentioned purity and controlled manufacturing, but how do we actually control that? What tests show that evolast really keeps outgassing under control?
Here, the thermal desorption spectroscopy is used, so we are able to reproduce the semiconductor conditions under controlled vacuum. Samples here are gradually heated from room temperature to over 200 degrees C, and while any molecular release is measured in real time. This quantifies the total mass loss and identifies volatile species. Across all evolast compounds, these values are extremely low and well below industry thresholds, so proving the really good resistance in thermal decomposition and retracling also as well.
Okay, that's impressive. But expertise like that doesn't happen overnight. So where does MCI get the depth or FFKM know-how from?
So our compounding and manufacturing knowledge originate here in a big area with more than 50 years of elastomer expertise. And this knowledge enables us to fine-tune compound structures and manufacture a huge range of sealing products for several markets. Obviously, semiconductor world as well for a very huge range of markets.
Why is this clean room environment so important for evolast production?
It's very important because every step, so mixing, molding, post-curing, washing, and packaging happens under ISO 6 and ISO 8 cleanroom standards. And this is the only way to guarantee molecular purity and zero surface contamination for the parts ever reach the fab. This gives to customers full confidence that their sealing materials ensure the purity, the dimensional stability, obviously, and the process consistency required in advanced semiconductor fabrication. That is not something simple to reach. So that's the only way to reach the goal.
So Simone, thank you for this insight. It's clear that evolast FFKM is the result of decades of expertise, cleanroom precision, and a deep understanding of semiconductor requirements. And thank everyone else for watching our Q&A session. If you're interested in the whole blog post, just click the link below in the description.